Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use the Duro printer head for the Creator 3 Pro. So in the file, if we open a new project and load file, so I'll just choose the MoneyCat. So that's what we are currently in normal model, and under the model, we can change it to duplicate model. So you can see there's exactly the same cat on the left hand side. So this will be printed on the right extruder, and this will be printing on the left extruder. And we can change it to mirror mode as well. So the cat will be mirror reflected. All the features will be mirrored as well. So now we're going to change it back to normal mode. And I'll show you how to do support for one printer head and do the main body by another printer head. So you can either go under edit and go support, so you get that menu, or you can go to the right hand side under support. So it's that icon. So please make sure you have already upgraded your slicer to the newest version, because otherwise you won't be able to find this icon. So if you just click that and click the model. So currently we don't have any support. So for this one, you need to manually select which printer head you want to use. So let's go auto support first. So it's gonna add quite a lot of support for this model. And if we put Control plus A, so you can select all the supports, and then right click. And then you can choose right extruder to print or left extruder to print. Usually I'll just choose left extruder. And then you can select the main body part. Usually it will be, if you the default setting will be right extruder to print. So that's why it's better to select the support and make it left extruder to print. Now just go back. You see, now it's in two different colors, and you can go start slicing. So make sure you check the material before you start, and also the filament. So if you go slice, just go yes, add a rough. So it will add a rough to the model. It's gonna stick better to the building platform. And if we go slice preview, you can see it's going to be printed with different colors. So we change it to extruder. Thank you for watching.